Hey guys, welcome to another video, and I haven't even searched up what we will be doing today again. Oh, and Jay's mom, you snore a lot. Sorry, me and my mom sleep in the same room. It's horrible. So today we won't be playing Quick Draw. Once again, episode 2 should be pretty cool. Okay, so let's draw. Okay, a sock. That's easy. I'm gonna make those really cool socks that SpongeBob wears. Oh. Okay, so last episode we got every one of them right in one round. So I'm aiming for the same goal again. So we are going to take up to the next level. We had to get all of them right, like three ones in a row, like 3 times, like 3 rounds in a row. Okay. That's a mango. Okay, draw a bandage. This is easy. Draw an arm. So we are going to be doing 6 rounds. I mean 8. Okay. How do I draw a freaking lobster? Submarine. Submarine's easy. So we already lost this one, but wait until next round. Oh my god, okay. Just try this again. Okay, second round, and I. Show the little thing right there. Banana. Easy. Can I at least finish my drawing? She's saying my track the sex. Sorry, I love this song. Stairs right here. That's a tractor. That's a really good tractor. Well, we already failed the second round. Yay. Bathtub. I'm just so mad like that you can't finish your drawings and other people see it. So I'll just turn it right here. Okay, shoe. Shoe's easy. Good, she better get that right. Okay, okay. Okay, books. I'll make one of those old time ones. That is an alarm clock. Great. Smiley face. How did she not get that? Draw a rabbit. It just like skipped it. That is a buddy. School bus. Easy. Yes. The uh, uh, it's a bus. Dresser's easy. There's the lamp. Here's the photo. Oh my god, how could she not guess that? If I'm not mistaken, a bee's wig is like penguin. A goatee. Matt. Put Xbox. Yay. Boomerang. So it's like. Eh. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to share that. Okay. Well, that is it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.